This is the best, or at least one of the best smart TVs you can get right now, the Samsung S95F QD OLED. In this case, I will talk to you about this 55-inch version. Well, the most relevant thing about this model is its matte anti-glare screen. The reflections handling is outstanding thanks to that, and even when you watch content with dark scenes in a bright room, the performance is great. And when you turn the lights off, the results are simply perfect as any other OLED TV. You will perceive the black colors, remarkable level of detail, and great motion handling because this TV is all capable of decreasing a lot the judder effect if you want to. Speaking of brightness, the levels you will get from this TV vary according to every picture mode, but also if you decide or not to enable HDR tone mapping, because the levels of brightness will be more than twice when you activate this feature. And you need to know that, for example, in ratings.com, they do not enable this option, hence the levels of brightness they report are lower but still are extremely high. This TV has a great out-of-the-box colors accuracy, and if you want to, you can modify the parameter Color Booster Pro in order to get more vivid results. HDR experience is simply one of the best and brightest you will get, even if this TV is not compatible with Dolby Vision. I mean, the results you will perceive with HDR10 are simply outstanding. Image upscaling is remarkable. If the content has a low resolution, this TV's processor allows you to get a smoother result with more clarity, avoiding blur and other negative aspects you may perceive in other TVs. Viewing angles are almost perfect, as you can see. The colors won't look whitish even if the viewing angle is very wide. And the dirty screen effect in this TV is almost zero. Let's go now with the gaming area. Here you need to know that this TV is compatible with 120Hz and also 165Hz in 4K with variable refresh rate technologies in all of its 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. The performance of this TV in this area is also one of the best you will experience. The response time is very low as other OLED TVs. This means motion results are almost perfect and you will never notice the annoying ghosting effect. You will have access to this game bar, which offers different features such as making an aiming point appear in the screen, also the option to make zoom, and the most important, the picture modes. For example, the auto mode will choose the best picture mode according to artificial intelligence, depending on the type of video game you're going to play. Input lag times this TV has are simply very good. Almost every user will be more than happy with this TV, and the overall performance of this S95F in this gaming area is simply exceptional. In terms of the smart area, you need to know that the operating system is Tizen by Samsung. It is not based on Android, hence you cannot install APK files. The apps and features will vary according to every country. The smoothness or fluency is great. Screencast and multi-view is possible in this TV. Also the option for voice commands by using the hands-free feature. And the ambient mode as long as Daily Plus are possible too. And of course, the One remote is very ergonomic and it can be charged via solar panel or via USB Type-C. This TV's design is very elegant, is very thin, and you will get the One Connect with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. The power of its speakers system in practice is not as impressive as it promises in theory. But the results are more than enough for the vast majority of users. However, if you are demanding, I recommend you to get a soundbar or home theater. The only negative point of this TV is that it's very expensive, but if you have the money and you've liked everything I said about this model, go for it, you won't regret it. That's it, thank you guys for watching. I remind you can support my channel by doing some purchases through the links I put in the description and also in the first comment. Also click the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, that will help me a lot. And until next time.